get started slowly, step by step. We are here today to understand what is database. Let's get into it straight. Let's understand the agenda for today's class. What is database? Types of databases. What is DBMS? And what is SQL? We'll understand what is what from scratch today. These 1, 2, 3, 4 are important to understand. Number 5, our actual job roles. Then comes the responsibilities. And for tomorrow's class, preparing for tomorrow, the software downloads. Tomorrow we are going to do the installations to start our practice slowly. So I need to provide you the downloads and the prerequisites. Let's get started slowly, step by step. I request you to write your observation notes. Only the keywords, okay? Please, only the keywords you please write into your observation notes. WhatsApp me your handwritten observation notes after the class every day, please. My kind request. And this small move, it works, it works for sure. It will have a nice positive impact in our classes. Every day, you will write your observation notes. WhatsApp me immediately after the class. And we know, we do more, we get more. I'll be looking forward for your notes after the class every day from today. Please, my kind request. And let's get started now. What is database? Well, database, a room, a storage room. Database is a platform to store any type of data, any amount of data, fully secured, easy to organize, and stores unlimited data with great support for cloud, means remote storage, and AI, artificial intelligence. So there is no project in IT without any database. Hence, our job roles and opportunities are 100% safe. At the same time, yes, we need to showcase more in our resume and also in our interview rooms as well as at our job desk. My training classes will surely make sure we meet our targets. What is it again? Database, a platform to store any type of data. There are two basic types of databases, OLTP, online transaction processing databases, and data warehouse, DWH. This OLTP, online transaction processing database, stores live real-time data like live temperature, live stock market operations, anything live, OLTP. And developers will be involved. Developers will be involved in design of OLTP databases. We have data warehouse to store historical data implemented by using ETL, extract, transform, and load. Here, data engineers will be responsible for this data warehouse database design. Developers will be responsible for OLTP, data engineers for warehouse. We have two other important job roles: analysts for reporting purpose. Analysts are responsible for reporting, analysis, dashboard activities, and DBAs are responsible to manage everything. They are responsible to manage OLTP, responsible to manage warehouse, and sometimes even responsible to manage report databases. DBAs, database administrators, managing, maintaining every part of every database. So we have two important options so far. Number one, what is database? Number two, types of databases. Friends, I request you to write your observation notes if possible. Only keywords, only highlighted items on the screen. If possible, please. Sorry for the sounds over there. I'll mute that mic. We'll go for Q&A after some time, please. Next comes very, very important screen for our resumes. Will be very helpful for at least next few years down the line on my screen now. In real world, the birthplace of data. Data gets born in apps, websites, files, manual entry files, or social media. From there, the data would be captured and stored in OLTP. What does it mean? Live online transaction processing databases, like a live cricket match, live online banking, live online reservations, anything live, OLTP. So different companies came with different products like Microsoft SQL, Oracle, Postgres, MySQL, IBM DB2, etc. Different companies, different OLTP database systems. And from there, the data needs to be eventually stored in warehouse. Again, various companies, Microsoft has Azure and Fabric, Amazon, AWS, and open source, Snowflake, and more. To bring the data from OLTP and place it, park the data to warehouse, we need ETL, extract, transform, load. I was mentioning about it previous slide. To work with data warehouse, we need ETL technologies. So ETL and warehouse, they actually sail together. You can ask me, why don't we store data in a regular database itself? Space, maintenance, management overhead. OLTP is like a showroom that stores your products from the factory. Black box is a factory. Showroom is OLTP. The warehouse is the godown, data warehouse, DWH. The transport layer is ETL. Reporting, marketing, analytics, rightmost side. So we have various job roles and certifications based on these end-to-end implementation activities. We'll be discussing those job roles and certifications next few minutes today. But remember, friends, any project, any database project involves all these areas of implementation. Now comes DBMS. It's very important. It's a software. I'll provide you the software information to you today on email. This software is used to build and design OLTP data warehouse databases, manage, access, analyze, secure, monitor, and troubleshoot databases. So any activity you want to perform on database, yes, we have a software DBMS. Example DBMS like SQL Server, Oracle, Postgres, IBM DB2, and so on. There are hundreds of DBMS in the market, hundreds. But all these DBMS purpose is same. Out of all these hundreds of DBMS, few were successful. I was listing it on my screen. And from here comes something called SQL. What is this? Yes, we are going to install DBMS tomorrow. If time permits, we'll do the installation today, and if not tomorrow. And once we complete the installation, what next? Yes, we are supposed to slowly implement database activities from scratch, and there comes SQL. DBMS is a road, SQL is a vehicle for us to travel carefully. To traverse every part of database, we need SQL. Structured query language used to perform storage, manipulations, reporting, and lot of management, maintenance, performance tuning activities. So every touch on the database needs SQL. Remember that. I repeat again. Come on, friends, please help me. What are the different items we learned so far, please? We are in number 4, right? What is number 1? Please, let's interact. What is number 1? Database, right? Isn't it? Database, exactly. Okay. What is database we are learning? Number 2.
Types of database.
Exactly. Types of database. Some additional background sound. I'll mute that mic. Pratik, kindly check your mic, please. Some background sound from your mic, please. Please help me, please. Next, yes, firstly, database, then types of databases. What are the 2 types of databases? OLTP and data warehouse, right? Observe carefully. OLTP and data warehouse. Next, from here, OLTP to store live real-time data, like for example, live stock market or live temperature, anything live. Then comes data warehouse database to store historical data using ETL, extract, transform, load, like weather forecast, stock market analysis, etc. From here comes very important job roles: developers, engineers, analysts, and administrators. So every project involves this end-to-end implementation. Every database project involves this implementation. The birthplace of data, data source to OLTP, ETL, warehouse analytics, and Microsoft has certifications for each of these levels. Black box, green box, the yellow, the blue item in between, the orange and the brown. Everywhere there are certifications from Microsoft. To implement this diagram practically, we need something called DBMS, Database Management System. Manage, monitor, secure, troubleshoot, optimize databases. We need DBMS software. I will provide you the DBMS software download links today. You need to download them, get them ready for tomorrow's class. And what we do tomorrow, we are going to do the actual installation. First half. Second half, we have to start our practice slowly, step by step. But how to practice, how to implement database in real world using SQL. So tomorrow, second half, we are going to learn more about SQL with examples. First half DBMS, second half SQL. So what are the job roles we have now? Number one, administrators, DBA. Number two, data engineers. Number three, data analysts. These are the three prominent job roles. You also have data scientists and others like developers, analysts, or business analysts, testers, etc. First three are very common job roles comparatively with respect to the base of openings from various companies. What we learn here? Yes, we are going to learn database concepts from tomorrow. Slowly step into the SQL concepts from their very important architecture, tuning activities, common table expressions, indexes, procedures, functions, triggers, and so on. This basement is very much required to become an engineer or analyst or administrator. First level activity. As you gain experience, you may also become an ETL admin, the combo of DBA and data engineer means OLTP database admin and data warehouse database admin, or combination of engineering and analytics, warehouse and reporting, BI developer. Okay, next. From here, our next step. So Microsoft has various certifications for these, I told, right? Before that, let's understand what we do as a DBA. Friends, we'll go for questions. Once we understand the things carefully, step by step, okay? We'll do it slowly. Thank you, attendees have been responsive. Really appreciate. Let's observe carefully here. Well, let's understand now, step by step, what we do as a DBA. Database administrator. Yes, it's all about administration, management activities. That includes high availability, monitoring, recovery activities, repairs, troubleshooting, and upgrades. Also involves cloud migrations, security, disaster recovery, and so on. Remember, friends, DBA is a database doctor. Any repairs, any troubleshooting, any data loss, any problem, any optimizations, DBA need to address. And next, apart from this one, and here is a certification from Microsoft to become a DBA. Then comes data engineer. It's all into ETL. You extract data from various sources like Excel, CSV, cloud, social media. You transform the data. Transform means here like mashup, joins, filter, remove unwanted data, remove duplicate data, etc. And finally load it to the warehouse. Then we have design of data warehouses. ETL first, warehouse next. And implement big data analytics and cloud computing activities. These are the main activities for a data engineer. There are two different flavors for data engineering. One for Azure and Databricks, and other one is Fabric. You choose any one in case you want to become a data engineer. But either of these, either Azure with Databricks or Fabric, the items are similar. The interface changes. Fabric has more AI and Azure has more storage and traditional cloud computing concepts. Both are, of course, equally having their own value in the market now. You may choose any one if you want to go for engineering activity. So first DBA, one certification. Engineering, you need to choose between these two, and data analyst to analyze data, design reports and dashboards, to perform infographics, study trends and patterns, use AI prompts to analyze and perform Excel analytics, study the customer requirements, implement something called AI and Copilot on your data stack. What is this data analyst job role? So putting everything carefully together on my screen, we have database administrators, data engineers, data analysts, three different options. Or combo ETL admin, BI developer, engineering plus analyst. You will choose whichever career option you are into. You will choose your resume property as per these options. You need to let me know, please, by end of the class today. I need to provide you the required details on email as per your opted choice. For my classes, starters, non-IT, IT professionals, yes, I can make the things easier for everyone and need your support, please. On-time practice required. From tomorrow, on-time submission of assignments, please, from today. I'll be providing you the complete day-wise roster on whatever you are into. Either you may opt for DBA or engineering or analyst or combo. Tomorrow we'll start the database concepts. Then what we do today, let's get into the software, the prerequisites. Before that, my kind request once again, yes, notes I will take care, assignments I will provide you, and resume I can take care. But at the same time, on-time practice you need to take care, please, please. My kind request. With this, let's get into the prerequisites and the software part. Any questions so far? Let me know, please. I will wait. From this generic information so far, any questions? Please let me know. I'll wait. Yes, I'll wait. Mic with you all, please. Agarwal, Ashu, Akansha, Ashok, others, everyone, please, everyone. Sweta, yes, please, everyone. I'll wait. Jitender, Pratap, Pratiksh, Ram. Any questions, please? I'll wait, please. Yeah, please tell me.
What is a TSQL? What is the difference between SQL and SQL Server and TSQL?
I will take it mostly by tomorrow. Once we complete the installation of our software, then I'll come to your answer, wherein we are going to learn about SQL and something called TSQL. So give me time, I'll talk about it, please, with examples. Both are different, actually. Both are different. We will take it anyway. We'll do slowly, step by step. Yes. Next question, please.
Sorry, it might be a
Yes,
basic question, but in your first slide you said database. It's more like any kind of data, right? Any type of data.
yes,
So this we are
yes.
specifically talking about structured data itself, right? There are no databases with unstructured data, or my understanding is incorrect.
No, no, no. The database can store unstructured data also, my dear friend. For example, there are technologies like Gremlin, MongoDB. They store unstructured data also. Here, any type of data means, like for example, barcodes, QR codes, text, images, audio, video, any kind of media information. I'm talking about the format of data. Any data we can store in a database. An Excel cannot store passwords, right? An Excel cannot store barcodes. Database can. Okay?
Understood. Okay, thank you.
Yep. Next question, please, friends. I will wait. Let me show you in this way, okay? To make it easier. Friends, I assume we're all very new. Please go through them carefully. I'll wait. Yes. Yep, this should be fine. Please go through database, types, DBMS. We are at the start level, right? Let's go slowly, step by step. Please, any questions so far? Let me know, please, before we step into DBMS software downloads prerequisites. I will wait. Fine, friends. Are we clear so far, please? Please, are we clear so far, please? I'll wait. Everyone, please confirm, please, please. Are we clear so
Yes.
far, please? I'll wait.
Yes.
Sure, Ranjan. Yes.
Yes,
Upati.
Yes.
Smeta. Yes. Pratik.
Yes.
Fine, friends.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
Perfect. Perfect. Let's continue. Friends, I'll go step by step, friends. And okay. Okay. Please. Please.
Your voice
Please.
got break, sir.
No, no, no. I think it's not broken. It's not broken. No,
Okay.
no, no. I'm showing something and saying please.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Sorry.
Got it. Please, everyone. Okay. Please. I am into a traditional, pure, hardcore South Indian school. I'll continue. Say Asian school, I must say. Really, we do more, we get more. Let's learn it carefully, step by step, friends. Now comes software. My mobile has 2 SIM slots. So I insert 2 SIMs. Your computer will have 2 servers by mid of tomorrow's class. What is that? 2 servers. Why? Yes, here it is. This is our lab plan for our practice. I am going to provide you SQL server. What is SQL server again? One of the DBMS, right? Here it is, friends. Back to my slide. Few minutes back. This is our course. If you're interested in Oracle, we have separate trainer, separate classes. Postgres, separate trainer, separate classes. IBM DB2 and others. Other trainers, separate class. I am into, and our course is into SQL server. The certifications I'm showing you here are for SQL server DBMS implementation. Why SQL server is what we need to learn with installation, the advantages. Yes, tomorrow, by mid of tomorrow's class, we are going to implement 2 servers in your computer. Truly speaking, minimum 2 required for my classes. We have total 3 servers, 2 local, 1 online. This online server is for our remote access. It's my licensed copy. And these 2 local would be your trial copies. One 6 months trial, other one lifelong free trial from Microsoft officially. Your computer needs to be Windows 8 or higher operating system. Unfortunately, Mac won't work. For our detailed step-by-step zero compromise practice classes, Mac won't work. Mac works only for basic examples of SQL Server. Remember that, please. We need to have Windows 8 or higher. Please get it ready. Somehow or the other, please get MacBook ready for zero compromise learning process. And there are various versions of SQL Server. We are going to get the latest 2 versions of SQL Server. 2022, 2019. You can ask me why to practice more. We have good number of concepts in our classes. Like for example, something called joins, linked servers, remote joins. These concepts require minimum 2 servers for our practice by next week. We also have other concepts from our basic fundamentals like transactions, query blocking, detailed architecture for very large databases, VLDB. To work with all these items, yes, we need to have minimum 2 servers, please. From where you get it? From my email today. Make sure you have this OS with you ready, nothing else, no other prerequisites. Processor, any processor is okay, nothing special. Disk, 10 GB disk space and 6 gig RAM memory. That's enough. Windows and 6 gig RAM, 10 gig disk space, any processor, and I can make it work for you. We need to install SQL Server 2 times tomorrow, understanding what is what slowly. Then we need to install something called a tool, just like a browser needed to access the websites, google.com, sqlschool.com. Same browser, 2 tabs. Here same tool, SSMS tool, SQL Server Management Studio. What is that? From tomorrow, SQL Server Management Studio. It's a tool to connect and operate on servers. So server is a house, each server is a house, and databases are the rooms inside the house. We are going to install the first house, construct the first house tomorrow. Each house installation takes 3 minutes. Then understand in detail second house, revising the process. Then construct the road to connect to the houses and start performing our activities. I will provide you this download notes. Kindly request you to take a print copy of these notes today, please. I'll be explaining you all these things tomorrow, slowly, step by step. Today we learned something called OLTP, right? That is what we are going to install tomorrow. Next, continue with the installations. Something called instance. Remember, instance means installation of SQL Server. We are going to install SQL Server 2 times, means 2 instances. 2 instances, remember. And then step into some vocabulary activities. So this is the agenda for tomorrow, first half. Installation. Then once you complete the installation, tomorrow second half, we are going to step into SQL basics. There comes the actual definition, like what is SQL and a variant of SQL called TSQL. and the difference and relation between them. No worries about all these technical items. First, DBMS. Let's do it carefully. First half tomorrow. Second half will slowly step into the actual SQL practice items one by one. One email sent just now. Please kindly check. Please kindly check. One email sent just now to everyone from our team. Just now email sent with 2 attachments. Sorry, I could see there are 3 attachments sent in the email. That 3 attachments, number 1, the PPT, one and only one PPT that I'll be using for the entire course. Whatever PPT I was showing today, that's the only one for the entire course. Introduction notes with a small assignment. Yes, every day from today, we'll have assignments, please. Need your support. Hope you got the email, everyone. Please check it, please. I'll wait. I'll wait. Got the email, please? I'll wait.
I haven't.
I
Oh.
didn't receive the email.
Okay.
Same
Might
here.
be
Also
on.
accepted the email.
Same here.
Okay, 1 minute. Just wait, friends. Please make sure. I need to make sure I'll send you the email. Just wait. Yeah, I could see like the email was done through actually. Anyway, let me just wait for some time. In the meantime, yes. So let me repeat the agenda again. Tomorrow installation. So hope you all have Windows OS with you, everyone. Please, Windows OS.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Great. Yes. Then fine. We need it, please. Okay. We need it, please. Windows OS required. Let's have zero compromise learning. We need Windows. And what about my email? Please wait. Let me just resend it. Okay, I could see like it bounced back for a few participants. So I'm just sending it manually again. Please wait. I'm sending it manually again. Please wait. Yes. Email sent just now once again now. Let's wait for a few moments. Let's wait for a few moments. You'll be receiving it shortly for sure. That includes a small assignment also. That includes a small assignment also. Yes. In the meantime, yes, any questions, let me know, please. I will wait. We have a few more points to learn today. Any questions, please let me know. I'll wait, please.
There isn't any workaround for MacBook users. We definitely have to get any Windows.
Madam, let me put this way. Let me put this way. There might be multiple options online for it. Like they may say, like, no, enable Windows inside Mac. That's one of the options, madam. It works actually. Let me give the options here. So option 1 for Mac users. Yes, here it is. Number 1, enable Windows inside Mac. It works. Or options for Mac users, enable Windows, or other one, install VM, virtual machine. Okay, inside Mac, and then install Windows OS inside the VM. Okay, that is another option. So one of these two you need to opt for. If not, you have dual OS. Dual OS means install Windows side by side with your Mac. It works actually. it works. You may try this one also by contacting any vendor or any nearby shop, computer shop, and do this one. You may try one of these three. Okay, safe.
Sure. Thank you. One more question. So in the
Yes,
previous slides, you have mentioned about certifications as well when we are talking about
yes,
what we do as part of data analyst, etc. Right? So the
yes,
course that's being covered now,
yes,
will
yes,
that be
yes.
sufficient enough
Includes.
to take care of?
Yes.
Okay.
Number
Thank you.
one, I'll start certification orientation from the second week of the course, madam. From
Okay.
second week itself, we'll start certification orientation along with resume as well. Resume certification, they go in parallel to the course. We do. Guidance part of the course. Yes.
Thank
We'll not wait at the end of the course. Okay. We cannot wait. Yep.
Thank you.
Next. You're welcome. Next question, please, friends. I'll wait, please.
Hi sir, I have a doubt. So we joined for Power BI and SQL. Are you going to cover SQL for a few weeks and then you will switch to Power BI?
Sorry, I could hear like multiple voices, same mic actually. I'm confused now.
Am I audible
Multiple
to you?
voices. I can hear you. Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you. Yes. Friends, please make sure, friends, like we have single voice, single mic, please. It's easy for me. Friends, the question is about SQL Power. Yes, you can. First 3 weeks is common for everyone. Okay, then the separation starts.
Yes, sir.
First
So
3
for
weeks.
first 3 weeks it will be SQL
Yes.
and then later
Yes.
you will switch to Power
Yes.
BI. Yeah, thank you.
Exactly. Yes,
Okay.
exactly. Next question, please, friends. I'll wait. Please. Yeah. Next question, friends. Let me know, please. Yes, Ashok. Tell me, my dear friend. Tell me, sir. Tell me.
Yeah. Can someone, if wanted to directly start from data engineer track, can we
Yes.
do that?
If you're already aware of SQL, my dear friend, yes, you can do data engineering directly. If you're already aware of SQL, you can do it. No problem. Yes, you can. But without SQL, without this knowledge, directly getting into any of these items would be like Greek and Latin for sure, 100%. Okay. So it's like, directly joining BTech or MTech without having intermediate or 10th in between, something like that. Okay. So
Yeah.
difficult. We should know what is what, right? That's important. So yes, SQL primary prerequisite to step into any of the job roles. Yes, we need it. Got it, Ashok?
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes, fine. Yep. Next
Hey,
question,
Sai.
please.
Sai, this is Riti. I have one question.
Priti, please tell me,
Yeah.
Riti. Yes, please. Yes,
So
please.
in this course, will we go over any licensing?
Yes, licensing and pricing part of my yellow box itself. Yes, yellow box. We are going to learn. Yes, the basement. We should be having a strong basement. Yes.
Okay.
Please. Yep. Next question, please, friends. I'll wait.
Hello, Sai. As you told that we need to install the server 1 and server 2, like
Yes.
22 and 19 versions. So
Yes, please. Yep.
I didn't get that point actually. So what do we need to use any RDP related portals?
No, nothing. We are all very new. I'll make it work for you. Okay. I already gave you the installation software, right? Did you receive the mail today? Please let me know.
Yes, I received that one.
Perfect. Just download the software. You are done for today. Tomorrow I'll show you how to install the software. Okay. Step by step. Once we install the software, then I'll show you how to do the connections to 3 servers using one tool. No RDP, no MSDTC, nothing like that. Okay. I'll show you anyway. We are going to understand it practically to start our examples. I'll do. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Yep. Thank you. Next question, please, friends. I'll wait.
Sir, I'm Shashikant.
Yes, Shashikant, please tell me.
Yeah, so currently I'm working as a business analyst.
Okay.
business analyst, and also my manager asked me to learn joins and inner joins and everything, especially on those things. So how much time it will take to learn only
By the time we come to join Sashikant, it will be like mid of next week. Mid of next week, Sashikant. From basics to remote joins and all. Yes. So tell your manager you are joining the classes from tomorrow, and it will take until mid of next week. It will to come
mid
here.
of next week
Yes, you are right.
to come
Yes.
here.
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
Actually asked me to focus on the joins, data types
Got
and conversions, and also group bys, join with group bys and subqueries and joins. Yeah.
Perfect, perfect. I got it, my dear friend. You have everything here. If you want your subqueries and all, then until later next week, please. Okay.
I
Go
think
fine.
can I say him for at least 2 weeks, right?
Yeah, better. Safe side, right? Yeah. Always
Yeah,
promise
safe
less,
2 weeks.
do more. Promise less,
2
do
weeks, yeah.
more. Safe.
Yeah,
Yes, you
sure,
are
sure,
right.
definitely. Yeah.
Yeah. Fine. Next question, please, friends. I wait.
Hi, sir. Good morning.
Very good morning, Pratap. Please tell me. Yes.
Sir, is this course is entirely about SQL development as well as Power
Thank you,
BI,
sir.
right?
Thank you.
I don't want to say development. It's all about the basement queries and syntax activities, not into core development. For development, we have separate course, programming. We have
Okay.
a 2 months course only for development. That is entirely different. Yes.
This SQL is all related to Power BI, sir.
Yeah, SQL, common SQL, which is very much required for administrators, engineers, and analysts, all the core concepts.
Okay.
Architecture, licensing, joins, group by all queries, main concepts. Okay. Programming is entirely different, my dear friend. Like development is different. Development
Okay. This,
involves like business logic implementations with thousands of code. That is entirely different.
so this will helpful for even for data engineering as well, or we need to learn
Yes.
separately?
No, not required, my dear friend. Like whatever SQL we do here is enough for all these 5 job roles. Pratap, are you seeing my screen, please? Yep.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. So for all these 5 roles, this basement should be enough with solid architecture, 6 different Turing concepts and licensing activities, etc. Enough. No additional activity required to step into data engineering. Yes.
Okay. The same time we'll start, sir, for that course, or we need to separate timings are there?
We have multiple schedules, my dear friend. My team will call you after the class today anyway. You can have a word with them regarding the timings and all.
Oh, okay. Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, sir. Friends, any other question, please? Technical question, let me know. Please, friends, non-technical questions, my team will call you anyway after the class. I request you to, have a rapport with them, and because like they are going to include us into free weekend workshops, and we do conduct like series, interview series. For example, now I'm conducting Python interview series, free classes online. It depends, right? So we have a lot of activities we do at our school day in, day out. And of course, I am the trainer for Microsoft technologies, but for others, we have a lot of other trainers as well. And we do conduct some events as well. So let's build rapport each other, and we'll surely get more and more for sure. We'll do it carefully. Our team will provide you the course curriculum PDF format. I will provide you the course curriculum concept-wise format. Please take print copy of both PDF, detailed document, like what we are going to learn, as well as the concept-wise document. Please take a print copy. It works. It works. And the print copy document would be like this. I'll just show you here to get some idea. We'll send you on WhatsApp anyway. It's like this to make it clear and straight, like what we are going to learn on each day, concept wise, for whichever course you are into. So please do let us know. which course you're opting for. We'll provide you the PDF document, detailed course content, and the concept-wise print screen. The complete pic. You need to take color print and get it with you. Safe. Take a color print. It's our life. Let's do it seriously. It works. Any more questions, please? Let me know, friends. We'll stop for today. Meeting from tomorrow. Slowly installation. Any questions, please? I will wait. Fine, friends. That's it from and for today. Meeting tomorrow to slowly start the installation. And you got 2 documents today, right? I'll provide you a separate mail. Please take print copy of the notes. Print copy of the notes will be left side of your computer, friends. Right side, you'll be writing your observation notes and WhatsApp me after the class every day. Left side, print copy notes, that is being sent in advance weekly. Right side, handwritten WhatsApp notes to stay tuned. Assignments you'll be submitting on our website. You'll be given the portal access to submit your assignments for weekly feedbacks and review meets by our team. They conduct mock interviews as well. My team would be the first level support for your assignment submissions, doubts, clarifications. Still any problem, I am always available. So you have my team number and my number, both. And anyone near to Hyderabad, we can have in-person meets on weekends. I'll be available on Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays at my office in High Tech City. Better to call me before you start your journey to my office in case you want to meet me for your resumes or any kind of mock interviews in person. I'm always there to guide you, my duty. We can also meet online as per your comfort. Just in case you're in and around Hyderabad, yes, we can have in-person meet, surely, anytime. We'll stop for now and I'll be waiting for your submission of today's assignment on our website. Our team will provide you the website portal for submissions along with the notes for this week classes. Please take print copy of the notes, please. Hope you'll do it for me, everyone. Please, for our sake, for our benefit. Traditional learning. Yes, please, everyone. Hope you'll take print copy of the notes, please. Yes, please.
Sure.
Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Sure, sir.
Perfect.
Yes.
And you'll submit your everyday assignments, please. Yes.
Sure,
Daily
sir.
assignments, please. Daily.
Sure. Yes.
Perfect. Yep. Others, please help me.
Sir,
Okay. You go to question, please. I'll wait. Tell me, sir.
sorry to interrupt, sir.
Tell me, sir.
Sir, you have said that notes to take a print out, which you have mailed. May I know which notes we have to take the print out, sir?
There are 2 documents, sir. Please take the print of both documents. Yeah. You got 2 DOC files, right? Could you please check it, sir? 2
Yes, sir.
documents are there. Chapter 1,
Yes,
chapter 2 documents. Yes. Okay, 1 and 2. This one, sir. 1, 1, 2, 1. First chapter document, second chapter document. Please take print. I'll send you a Google Drive link separately today anyway, with list of all documents for this week. Okay, I'll send you separate.
Yes.
Google Drive link. I'll
Yes.
send it.
Thank
Sure.
you.
Next question. You're welcome, sir. Next question, please. I'll wait. Fine, friends. Stop for today. Slowly we'll start installation tomorrow. Please, let's get ready to start the game. Thank you. Have a nice time. Meeting from tomorrow, same time as usual, 6 a.m. sharp. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Any more questions just in case, let me know please on WhatsApp. Glad to assist you. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Thank you.